me.
I'm not gonna bring. You don't remember what was said.
But, he doesn't remember what was said.
But when I was out there, I said I'm gonna bring this right now.
Ryan, you weren't even out there. I went right up to Sheila. I'm gonna tell you, or Sharon, and I said to Sharon, Sharon, you know our discussion that we had earlier today. I said, you know, are you like, did you think I snapped at you? She said no. She's like, it was a miscommunication. It was a misunderstanding. And Joshua did call you those names. He admitted to full-fledged saying those names. And I said, okay, is everything squashed? And she said, yeah, everything's squashed. And that's when Josh started calling me a cunt. Get out of here, you fucking whore. This and that, this and that. So I guess I'm kind of confusing. What am I lying to you about right now?
Well, I guess I'm confused then too because, I mean, you're telling me...
Telling me what?
I don't know.
What would be my advantage of lying to you?
I don't know.
What would that benefit me
idea.
in any way?
What was the whole reason you wanted to go out there? What?
Just to with Sharon.
Because I came in here when I was out there talking to Sharon. Mm-hmm. She was saying that you confronted her out in the yard.
Yeah, I talked to her today.
Because you overheard that she called you a bitch.
Right. Which no, she said.
And she?
Yeah, she said that to Natalie. I'm not gonna even go there though. Okay. I'm not gonna even go there.
Did, okay.
I'm not going to even go there. That. You see what I'm saying?
That's what I thought. Okay. But then you told me that out in the yard she admitted to you that she said that.
She did. She said that she admitted to me that her and Josh said that I was being bitchy, that I was being a bitch. And that she said something like Allison's acting like evasive towards us. And I can't think of the word she used. Well then, but she definitely said that too.
Okay, but you're saying something to me about how she said she called you a bitch or something. That's where okay,
both her and Josh have called me that several times in the past 24 hours.
I thought you were talking about